High fiber content, source of vitamin B, rich in zinc, iron, magnesium, enemy of diabetics, delay skin aging. Welcome to Kala Style. The plant can grow up to 2 meters, that is 7 feet tall, which means it could hide an elephant among its harvest. Yes, Kattuyanam red rice. Today we see how to make idli using Kattuyanam red rice. Ingredients: take 3 cups of Kattuyanam rice, half cup of idli rice, half cup of raw rice, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash these for 4 to 5 times. Drain the water completely. Allow to soak with fresh water for minimum 5 hours. In another container, add 1 cup of urud dal. Wash twice and drain the water completely. Soak this dal with fresh water and keep this aside. If you are a diabetic patient, add 4 cup of Kattuyanam red rice, 1 cup of urud dal. After 5 hours of soaking time, add urud dal in wet grinder, turn to smooth paste and keep this aside in a separate container. Now add soaked red rice, turn this to idli batter consistency. Now transfer the same to the urud dal container. Now add salt to taste and mix it well. Allow to ferment for minimum 5 hours. After that, grease the idli plates with gingerly oil and pour the batter. Allow to cook in steamer for 15 minutes. Now our healthy super spongy idli is ready. Serve with chutney or sambar. Same batter can be used for dosa preparation. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe Kala Style. Have a healthy day. Bye.